Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live, 4 o'clock hour. And we've been talking about our risk for severe weather. This morning's round mainly well to the south of us. That's good news, but the heat is on. Your poolcast for this evening. Find a sprinkler to run through or a pool to jump in because we have sizzle-worthy temperatures that'll be in the mid and upper 80s here as we head through the rest of your evening. The thunderstorm chances will persist as we go into the overnight hours, and as they form, the area of greatest concern is highlighted in yellow. We may see strong storms in the areas in green, but the area in yellow will have the best chance. What are the risks? Tonight we have all modes of severe weather possible, but the gusty straight line wind and large hail will be the main threat. Now, we cannot rule out tornadoes. Let me show you where the risk for that is greatest. And really, we could see the overnight variety of tornadic activity, and that is something we'll watch closely for you. Where you see this brown area here, Devil's Lake Basin, James River Valley up towards Cavalier and Walhalla, isolated risk. That's where the risk is greatest. And we could see by the time the storms make their way into the Red River Valley, particularly the northern Red River Valley, Grand Forks and points north, it appears that we still could have some of those very gusty storms working their way through, and oftentimes we can get an embedded tornado in there. So mainly in our western counties, a few tornadoes will be possible. They're not necessarily likely, and they'll be at night. So it's hard to get eyeballs on them to watch for them, but we'll be here to let you know where things are going. A few showers and storms trying to form in the central Dakotas, but nothing happening yet. It is just hot. Really hot as we take you in a little closer. 1 or 2 lightning strikes near Lake Sakakawea there in McLean County. Other than that, those showers are moving in the general direction. We will see them move tonight from southwest to northeast. Temperatures, wow, hot. Look at this, 90 Wahpeton Breckenridge, 92 for Sisseton, 88 at Moorheads Airport. All in all, it's hot out there right now. Let's get to the details in your hour-by-hour forecast. As we set things into motion, the few thunder showers that we have off to the west will stay out there. We stay hot and dry here in our area. Filtered sunshine. We cool a little bit as we go into the late evening hours. Check this out, though. As we set things into motion, you'll see a few thunderstorms here forming out to the far west as one wave of energy works its way from southwest to northeast. We're seeing that begin right now. A few of these storms might be on the side of strong, but it's really after 8 when we'll have the best chance. Watch how things blossom as we go into the overnight hours after 10 o'clock. Boom, right there on the South Dakota, North Dakota line, a line of storms will develop. Now, these here will have the best chance at producing some very large hail. They're isolated in nature. These are more linear. But again, this is where we have that best chance for the gusty straight line winds, and along that boundary we can get a spin up here and there. We'll have to watch that. When do they get to our area? Between 1 and 2. Notice this nice bowing shape, Hutch calls it. That's a bow echo. That means gusty straight line winds will be from the west tonight. Batten down the hatches, the lawn furniture, and the trampolines so they don't end up in the county next door. Now, temperatures will still be warm and humid. Look where these go as we head towards daybreak in the 4 to 6 a.m. time frame. Still got that backward C shape. These winds will be from the southwest, gusting. Again, all risks will be possible for large hail, damaging wind, and some localized flooding possibilities as well. Starting the day, these storms will be exiting. We'll have passing storms in the morning half of the day. After that, the rest of your Tuesday looks pretty good. Temperatures will be still warm, but not as hot as today. We're going to top out closer to 80 as opposed to closer to 90. Spotty storms will be possible in the afternoon, not expecting anything too widespread. So your first alert weather day for tonight is for the overnight storms, and it lasts into tomorrow morning for the storms as they exit. Flatline those temperatures in the 70s all day here in Fargo with a few clouds. I think our northern neighbors will have the best chance at any showers or storms. Tiffany, you're capturing this shot for us. Thanks for uploading that. Now your planning forecast as we take a look. 78 Wednesday, a few showers and storms. Thursday, 79. Nice and comfortable, right? That don't last. Check out next weekend. Woo! Grab a juice box and set up next to the pool. We're talking about 95 to 100 degrees here as we head into your Father's Day weekend. Don't forget the sunscreen.
Yeah, it's Monday and that weekend's already the talk of the town.
Yeah, it is.
We'll see. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Well, across the country, a dangerous heat wave that started in California over the weekend is making its way east. Forecasters predict triple digits throughout the middle part of the country, and about 80 million people are under heat alerts. Phoenix, Las Vegas, Denver, and California's Death Valley all posted record temperatures over the weekend. Scientists say more frequent and intense heat waves are likely in the future because of climate change and deepening drought.
Roughly half of the 60 years worth of heat waves have occurred just in the last 20 years. If you look at the other side of the coin, cold outbreaks, those are diminishing over time.
Excessive heat causes more deaths in the U.S. than other weather-related disasters, including hurricanes, floods, and tornadoes, all combined.